Paul, 7 days is a long time in rugby. This competition is proven. As much as you guys would enjoy tonight, is there a sense of always remaining humble, knowing that the competition is not won yet?
No, definitely. It's like you said, the competition is not won yet. We know there's still a job to do next week, and there's an element of travel tomorrow. So, yeah, I think we'll, as you said, just keep our heads down and keep the hard work, and then hopefully get the result next weekend, and then have something to celebrate.
One for you. You've played a few test matches now, so it seems fair to ask you, how have you found the step up from URC? Obviously, you played a lot at that level. How have you found that step up now to international rugby?
No, well, obviously, Test rugby is just on another level. I mean, the speed and the physicality has gone up with some percentage. It'll be tough to say by how much, but like Ainan said earlier, being in a team with world-class athletes, I think it makes that transition a lot easier, because you know every guy is responsible and will definitely pull his own weight and do his job. So it's easy to slot in and then express yourself within a team with world-class athletes.
When we're seeing a lot of tries in the second half, what has been key to that within the team, seeing so many tries that are coming in a lot more in the second half?
I think it's not getting ahead of ourselves if we're maybe up at halftime, to just stick to our structures and not try and go off script. So I think it's definitely a credit to that, trying to stick to our system and not get crazy.
Om die geleentheid te kry, jy weet in die beginspan, wat het dit vir jou beteken, en dan ook net, is nog wel 'n spesiale toets as jy moet kyk met die talentpro's en die debutantes, wat het vir jou beteken om
Ja, nee, dit beteken natuurlijk vir my vreeslik baie om te weet, ek het die afrigters se backing om my in daai beginposisie te sit, en ek dink dit laat maar net by wat Kainan vroeër gesê het, dis maklik om in so 'n pak van wêreldklas spelers en in 'n span van wêreldklas spelers in te slot en dan jouself ja, maar net te fokus op jou eie game, want jy weet almal rondom jou gaan hulle werk doen. So ek sê ja, heel week die vibe was lekker en ja, dis maar net dis ongelooflik, dis moeilik om te beskryf. Ek moet myself nou nog knyp om te besef dat ek hier is. Maar ja, baie dankbaar vir die geleentheid en om te weet hulle back om te begin.